Cloudways Review. Pros. High performance. Cloudways partners with top cloud providers, DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, AWS, Google Cloud, ensuring your websites load fast and handle traffic surges effectively. Flexibility and scalability. You can easily scale your server resources, RAM, CPU, storage up or down as needed without the complexities of traditional server management. Excellent support. Cloudways offers 24/7 support from knowledgeable experts, accessible through chat or ticketing systems for timely assistance. Developer-friendly features. Tools like Git integration, staging environments, and SSH SFTP access streamlined development workflows. Pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for the resources you use, making it a cost-effective solution for websites with varying traffic patterns. Cons. Complexity. Cloudways, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve than traditional shared hosting options, especially for non-technical users. No included domain or email. You'll need to purchase your domain name separately and set up email hosting with a third-party provider. Cost can add up. While the pay-as-you-go model is flexible, costs for higher-end plans and additional features, like backups, can accumulate if not carefully monitored. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.